Hi everyone, it's Jessica here. Today I'm really excited to show you some techniques you can do with Kaleidacolor Inkpads. Here you can see this splendid dramatic strip of color, and believe it or not, it only took me a minute to complete it. So if you want to learn how to achieve this effortless quick blending, just keep on watching. The first technique is to use Kaleidacolor Inkpads with glossy paper. The slick surface allows the ink to dry slower and have time to blend together. After cutting my glossy cardstock, I'm going to incorporate the second technique, which is ink resist using Versamark Inkpad. I am stamping 2 leaves images using the Rooted in Nature stamp set from Stampin'. At first, the stamp images won't be obvious, but as the ink dries, it'll become clearer and clearer. Now we can add color using a Brayer and Kaleidacolor Inkpad. I chose to use Spectrum today because it has a gradient of really bold and saturated colors. Normally, it's hard to blend these colors smoothly side by side, especially with almost no overlap. But it's super quick and easy using these Kaleidacolor Inkpads. If you have excess ink on your glossy paper, just blot it on a piece of scrap paper and smooth the ink out with your fingertips. Now I'm showing you a third technique, which is flipping the side of your brayer so that you can get a reverse gradient of colors. Here's the finished piece. I'm super pleased with the result, and I love how the resist effect adds a special touch to the background. Finally, I stamped and die cut another tree image using VersaFine Clear Nocturne Black ink, and added the sentiment as a final touch. After you're done with the project, don't forget to expand the Kaleidacolor Inkpad and clean the brayer using a baby wipe. I hope you enjoyed this super fun, quick and easy card and are inspired to try out the many gorgeous spectrums of Kaleidacolor Inkpads. If you like this video, don't forget to like or leave a comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.